Sobrang sikat na ng women's volleyball sa Pilipinas. Baka mas sikat pa kaysa basketball ngayon. Pero ang tanong, kaya na ba nating lumaban sa Asia or sa international stage? Ano ang tingin nyo?
As a coach, hindi lang tayo concerned sa mga winning plays, but pati sa safety at well-being ng mga players natin. That's why we only recommend equipment na affordable, effective, at safe para sa kanila.
The Philippine women's volleyball team, nicknamed Alas Pilipinas, will compete in the AVC Challenge Cup here in Manila starting May 22. They will be pitted against higher ranked teams from Asia. Before we talk about the competition, let's examine the current team roster in this report from our correspondent, Ate Jessie.
Salamat, Coach R, and it's good to be back. The Philippine women's team is currently ranked 63rd in the world from a high of 57 last year. The current team is composed of both pros and amateurs, namely, number 1, CC Rondina, 5'6", from Chocomucho. Number 2, Ea Laure, 5'10", from Cherry Tigo. Number 3, Angel Canino, 5'10", DLSU Amateur. 4, Vanegander, 5'9", Signal HT Spikers. 5, Faith Nisperos, 5'9", Akari Charger. 6, Ara Parige, 5'11", NU Amateur. 7, Thea Gagate, 6'2", DLSU Amateur. 8, Fifi Sharma, 5'10", Akari Chargers. 9, Del Padomata, 6'3", PLDT High Speed Hitters. Cherry Rose Nunag, 5'7", Chocomucho. Gia Morada de Guzman, 5'7", who plays in Japan for Denso Eribis. Julia Coronel, 5'10", DLSU Amateur. Don Macandili, Katindig, 5 feet Signal HT Spikers. And last but not least, Jen Nieva, 5'4", from Cherry Tigo Crossovers. Yan, Coach R, ang komposisyon ng current Philippine women's volleyball team natin na lalaban dito sa AVC Challenge Cup.
Ano sa tingin nyo ang chances natin versus ito mga countries with higher ranking na kasama natin sa Group A? Namely, Chinese Taipei, number 44, Iran, number 57, Australia, number 59, at India, number 62. Kung tutuusin nyo, hindi pa masyado malayo ang ranking natin sa mga countries sa Pool A. Compared sa Pool B, dahil nandyan ang Kazakhstan, number 33, at Indonesia, number 40 in the world. Mas swerte pa tayo na nasa Group A tayo. Incidentally, sa Southeast Asia, ang pinakamataas na team sa world ranking ay ang Thailand with an impressive number 14 in the world. Just outside the top 10. Mukhang ang Thailand talaga ang benchmark ng women's volleyball sa Southeast Asia. Anong meron sila na wala pa tayo? Nag-research kami on the performance of our women's volleyball team sa international competition. So ito yung nakita natin. Last time tayo nag-gold sa Southeast Asia sa women's volleyball is 1993 pa. 20 years ago na yon. Sa Worlds naman, ang pinaka-successful campaign natin is 18th place. Pero nung 1974 pa, hindi pa ako pinapanganak. Sa Asia Championship, nung 1997, naka-8th place tayo. Pero since then, puro classification round na lang. Ang tanong, ano pa ba ang kulang sa women's volleyball natin para lumevel up na tayo at maging contender sa Asia muna, saka na yung Worlds. Madaming success stories na pwedeng maging motivation ng women's team natin. Isa na dyan, yung women's football team natin na nakapunta na sa FIFA World Cup last year. Ang secret ng team na yon is good recruitment and good coaching. Baka yun din ang kulang sa women's volleyball natin ngayon. So hindi imposible ang gusto natin mangyari. Para sa akin, let's set a 5-year plan kung saan natin gusto pumunta. And let's put milestones each year. From 63 to 30 to 20 Who knows, di ba? Pero dapat may goal tayo. Sayang naman kasi ang popularity at momentum ng Philippine women's volleyball kung hindi tayo magle-level up at mag improve sa world rankings.